Okay, so that's her there, and this here lever has a piece on here, and that's what broke. So that will go down and down in through this plate here, and the other piece is hooked on a spring, the other end of it. So it holds it up here, holds tension on it, and if you want to push that down, it pulls that up out of the notch, and you can just spin the plow side to side. Well, I hit a stump there the other night and broke that piece off. I tried to bungee strap it there the other day when I my other video, and it just didn't work. Any pressure on one side of the plow and it just spun her around there, so it was going all flip-floppy there. So we got the two bolts, one here and one over there, and then around the back you can just see she bolts up through, and the frame goes all the way up to the front. This here's the piece that broke. Right there, you can see that. Oh, this is all snow here, but goes right down in through there, and that's where that locks it in, and that spring puts tension on that bar. But anyways. Well, there's a piece we welded back together there, just a little chip off the end of her, and we'll slide it back right into here. sidewall back on there and went to swing the plow around. Friggin' spring broke. Had to take all that shit apart again and take it off. So we'll try her again. Well, while I get this plow apart here, I'm gonna try and tighten the main bolts to holds her on there to the frame. So I tighten everything, but they're spaced apart and she's a little floppy. Oh fuck, now I remember why I didn't tighten them up last year, because I don't have the right size wrench here. Too big. Fuck's sakes. Got an 1.1/8" socket, but it's not deep enough. I got some bigger wrenches, but they're down in the camper, so they're not good. Oh, I got another adjustable, so try her, but they are awful tight. Try this again. That should be pretty well lit. Seems to be working good. It's too freaking cool out tonight though. Bolts are still a little bit tight. guys, that's it for tonight. I'm heading in. It's like 12:30, minus 25, but the temperature in the garage is about -4, so that's not too bad. Anyways, we'll probably see you tomorrow. I'm heading in for a drink. Well, Fred, big thanks to Marcel for coming over and helping me get that welded up there. I changed the bolts around, put in a couple bigger washers. She was flopping back and forth there, a little bit too much play in her. And change this bolt around down here. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, so she's good to go now. It angles and locks into place pretty good. It's nice and tight. I greased everything up there a little bit, so hopefully she should last another couple years. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.